IMMX Bio, Inc., NASDAQ, IMMX, is a biopharmaceutical company pioneering tissue-specific therapeutics, TSTX, targeting oncology and immuno-dysregulated diseases. The FDA has granted Rare Pediatric Disease (RPD) designation for IMMX 110 for the treatment of a life-threatening form of pediatric cancer in children, rhabdomyosarcoma. If a new drug application in the United States for IMMX 110 is approved, IMMX Bio may be eligible to receive a Priority Review Voucher (PRV) from the FDA. RMS is a high-grade, malignant neoplasm, the most common soft tissue sarcoma in pediatric and adolescent populations and which rarely occurs in adults. The prevalence of RMS in the United States is approximately 20,000 children of all ages. The 5-year survival rate ranges from 20% to 30% for children in the high-risk group where cancer spreads widely in the body. IMMX 110 is the first clinical stage product of IMMX Bio SMARXT tissue-specific platform.